Hey, can we just admit something? Summer kind of broke our brains. Late nights, endless scrolling, weird sleep schedules, zero routine. Now September's here and we're like, okay, brain, time to focus again. And our brain is like, nah, I'm still in vacation mode. But here's the good news. September isn't just back to school, it's your second new year. No matter your age or stage, school, university, adult learning, or just learning to grow, this is your chance to reset your brain without burnout or pressure. So in this video, I'm giving you a 7-day brain reset to get your focus back, rebuild better habits, and actually feel motivated again. Stick around because at the end, I'll explain what to do after the 7 days so you don't lose your momentum. Let's go. Day 1. Dopamine detox, the 1-hour rule. Start strong, no phone, no social media, no screen time, for the first hour after you wake up. Why? Because when you scroll first thing, your brain starts craving fast dopamine all day. That's what kills your focus. So today, let your brain wake up naturally. No noise, no distractions, just you, some silence. Maybe a journal, maybe a walk. Tip: charge your phone far from your bed, out of sight, out of scroll. Day 2. Create a second-year vision. September is a fresh start. Use it. Take 10 minutes to write 3 simple goals for this season. One for your mind, like focus better or read more. One for your body, like sleep earlier or move daily. And one for your growth, like learn a new skill or study consistently. Keep it real. Think of this as your mini mental reset plan, not some intense resolution. Day 3. One focus block a day. Your brain doesn't need 8 hours of productivity, just one solid block of deep focus. Start with 45 minutes. That's it. Pick something that stretches your mind. Studying, writing, problem solving, and go all in. No distractions, no multitasking, just focus. You can use a timer or a study with me video to stay locked in. Day 4. Sleep reset. No productivity trick will work if your sleep sucks. So tonight, aim for a 10:30 p.m. bedtime. A 1-hour wind down without screens. Maybe a book, a stretch, or just chill with low lights. Your brain literally cleans itself while you sleep. Better sleep means better memory, better mood, and better focus. Don't skip this one. Day 5. Micro task reset. Today's challenge: pick one tiny task you've been avoiding, and just do it. One email, one laundry basket, one worksheet, one form. Why? Because finishing something small trains your brain to follow through. And that carries into your study habits too. Big change starts with small wins. Day 6. Input detox. What you consume affects how you think. If you're constantly feeding your brain drama, chaos, and endless scrolls, don't be shocked if your thoughts feel like static. So today, do a swap. Replace just 10 minutes of scrolling with something higher quality: a podcast, a nonfiction book, a calming audio, or a learning video. Small input shift equals big mindset upgrade. Day 7. Environment reboot. Let's clean up your space. Because your brain mirrors your environment, tidy up your desk, declutter your study corner, wipe the surfaces, light a candle, put on music, set the vibe. Even if the rest of your life feels chaotic, you'll have one clear space that tells your brain, this is where we focus. This is where we get things done. So, what now? What happens after day 7? Great question. This 7-day reset is a mental reboot, but it's not meant to be a one-time thing. It's a starter pack to help get your focus, energy, and habits back on track, especially after a long break like summer. Here's what happens next. 1. You keep what works for you. You just tried 7 powerful habits. Now ask yourself, which ones made me feel more focused? Which ones actually helped me study better? Which ones felt realistic? Pick 2 or 3 habits and keep them going in your weekly routine. Even just a few of these can seriously level up your brain long term. 2. Build your own version of routine. This reset isn't a rigid system. It's a foundation. You can adapt it to your life. For example, review your goals every Sunday. Keep using one focus block a day. Do an input detox once a week. Once your brain feels better, you can even build more. Add a second focus block. Create a full study schedule. Set deeper learning goals. This reset clears the mental clutter, so you can focus on real progress. And that's it, your full 7-day brain reset for September. You can use this reset anytime you need. This isn't just for September. You can redo this 7-day reset like after holidays, at the start of a new month, anytime your brain feels like scrambled eggs again. It's a reset button you can press whenever life gets messy. If you're trying to study better, focus more, or just feel like yourself again, start with day 1 tomorrow. No phone for the first hour, just start there. And hey, if this helped, send it to someone whose brain is still stuck in summer mode. Let's get back on track. Together.